Ta-da! Hello my lovely readers, welcome back. Today I brought you Fairy Tale, the little library book. Here we have 6 books. The Royal Party, Sleepy Princess, The King, the Cook and the Wizard, George the Dragon, Sir George the Brave and Princess Peppa. So let's start reading. First we have to remove the cover. This book set is so handy, so we will read it. The first one is the Royal Party and the Sleepy Princess and the King and the Cook, Dragon, George Dragon, Sir George the Brave, and lastly, it's Princess Peppa. As you know, we can see there's a puzzle in the back of this book. So we can make something in it. Let's see. Okay, I think this we will fix. And this is for here. And this is for here. Alright. And this should be here. And this should be here. All done. So we will start from this one. It says Princess Peppa. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess named Peppa. Princess Peppa lived in a castle at the top of a very tall beanstalk. Princess Peppa had loads of toys. Princess Teddy was her favorite. Sir George the Brave was Princess Peppa's brother. They had lots of fun playing in the castle together. That's all. So we will read this. This calls Sir George the Brave. Sir George the Brave was a very kind, very brave knight. He wore metal armor and had his very own knight shield. Sir George the Brave liked to ride his big white hobby horse and pull Princess Peppa in her carriage. And this one says George's Dragon. One day Princess Peppa and Sir George the Brave were playing in the castle gardens. Graw! Suddenly a big green dragon appeared. Peppa was a little bit scared, but George rolled back and the dragon smiled. Sir George the Brave and the big green dragon become very best friends. The next is the Royal Party. Princess Peppa and Sir George the Brave were a little bit bored one day. So they invited Princess Sushi to the castle to go for a ride in their hobby horse and the carriage. When they got back to the castle, all of their friends were there. "Let's have a royal party!" cried Princess Peppa. Everyone had so much fun at the royal party. They danced and danced until it was time for bed. Sleepy Princess. One day, Princess Peppa was very sleepy. Princess Peppa loved looking at herself in the mirror. Till today, she had looked in the mirror so much, she had made herself very tired. So the very nice king tucked sleepy Princess Peppa into the bed. She fell fast asleep and had lots of princess dreams. The last book is The King, the Cook and the Wizard. In Princess Peppa's castle there was a lovely cook. She made the most delicious foods ever. They also had a wonderful wizard who performed the magic show. Princess Peppa's daddy was the king of the castle. The king was always very hungry. So Princess Peppa and Sir George the Brave had lots of yummy picnics every day. The end. I hope you love this little library set. We will see you again with another book set, book collection and even a book. Till then, love you all. Bye-bye.
BookTube Kids.